Hi friend, in today's video, I'm gonna show you some of my top lazy morning beauty hacks that it will save you time and it will keep you looking fresh and confident all day long. So if you enjoyed, don't forget to like it, and let's begin with the first beauty tip, which is using a cold washer to depuff your eyes. I really like to do this beauty hack in those lazy mornings when I wake up extremely tired and I don't have time for an ice facial. This is the way to go because it doesn't get messy as an ice cube, and it only requires you to ice your washer for 30 minutes before using it. Once your washer gets cold, you can hold it for a few seconds on each side to provide a cooling effect, or you can gently glide it on your under eye for 10 times on each side to depuff. Also, don't forget to massage the temples in this way to relax the muscles on your face. Washa has been proven to reduce puffiness and inflammation, improve circulation, helping you to glow your skin, relieves tension in the muscles, and it can be anti-aging. Once I'm done, I always feel extremely refreshed, less puffy, and ready for my day.
Did you see? I almost felt like I felt so relaxed in that moment that I was just letting it go.
My next morning beauty tip is exfoliating your lips with a toothbrush to get rid of dry, rough skin super fast. I'm constantly dealing with dry lips all the time, and sometimes I don't want to get messy with a lip scrub, so brushing my lips after I brush my teeth gets the job done fast, and it's fairly easy to do. I know this might seem a little bit ew, but you can use a new toothbrush just for this, or if you are chill, use the same toothbrush you use every day. No one is watching you, right? So to do this beauty hack, what you're gonna do is to damp with warm water your toothbrush and your lips, and then using a gentle circular motion, you're gonna rub the toothbrush on your entire lips for 2 minutes straight in this exact way. When you do this motion, the bristles in the toothbrush are gonna act as a loofah, so it helps in stimulating blood flow, which will give you a plump effect, and at the same time, it will soften the dead skin, so it will come off easily, making your lips look more smooth, more pinkish, and extra soft, like exactly how we want it, but with the minimum effort. And by the way, if you're planning on putting lipstick, this will make it so much better and stay for longer time.
Oh yeah.
If you're like me, constantly struggling with removing facial hair and don't feel like spending too much time on it every week, then the best beauty tip for this is to use a facial trimmer. I love facial trimmers because these are the most convenient, painless, fastest way to remove unwanted hair anytime you need to. Like, you can take them with you to school, carry it in your purse, use it in your car if you have to, and even better, on the lazy days, facial trimmers can help you to look put together with the minimum effort. Ideally, facial trimmers should be used on clean skin, and as you can see, all I do is to press gently against the skin in circular motion around the areas where I want the hair to disappear fast. I've been using this facial trimmer forever, and literally I use it all over my face, and no, it doesn't grow hair thicker or grows it more. My hair just grows as usual. Once I'm done, my skin is not red or irritated at all, which makes it easy to just move on with my day. My next lazy morning beauty tip is using sprayed on body lotion for a quick way to moisturize dry skin. I discovered sprayed on lotions a few months ago, and you have no idea how easy moisturizing my body in the morning has become now, and how lightweight this definitely feels on the skin compared to regular body lotion. So the way to use a sprayed on body lotion is quite straightforward. There is a recommendation to hold 4 inches from the skin, the bottle, and then you spray it all over your body in a continuous motion. And once you do that, then you quick rub the body lotion all over your body, and that's it. What I love about spray on lotions is that it uses a fine mist, and because of that, it absorbs into the skin in seconds. Another benefit I noticed is that it instantly leaves your skin soft, radiant, and not sticky or greasy at all, but hydrates just the same as traditional lotions do, which makes it more appealing to use it daily and not skip lotion. If you don't know, daily use of moisturizer can help you with slowing down wrinkles, soften rough patches, and prevent you from developing extremely dry, cracked, rough skin in winter. So one way or the other, always make sure to use lotion daily. I know we lazy girls love to have plump, glowing, hydrating skin with the minimum effort. So for this, a very useful beauty tip is applying moisturizer on wet skin to boost insane hydration. For me, moisturizer mixed with water is by far the best beauty hack that it will make sure your skin will stay away from getting dry and flaky all year long. So all I do is after I wash my face in the morning, instead of drying out the water, I use my hands to remove the excess water in this way. And once my skin looks damp, I go ahead and apply my regular moisturizer all over my face, including lips and under eye, and then I massage until it's completely absorbed. When your skin is already damp, it's hydrated. So when you apply moisturizer on top of that, you are making sure this hydration gets sealed in, preventing it from escaping, and this will help you to retain water for longer time. As soon as this gets absorbed, I feel tons of relief from the dryness around my face. My skin feels like baby soft. It's an incredible feeling. Another morning beauty tip is using your lash curler as an eyeliner. Did you know that your lash curler not only can curl your lashes, but also can create the most subtle, beautiful eyeliner at the same time? Yeah, this morning beauty tip indeed works wonders, especially in those moments when you want to save time and get things done right and quickly with your makeup. This is what you need to do. Apply 3 coats of gel or liquid eyeliner to the top bottom of your eyelash curler. Now carefully curl your lashes as you normally do, and once you do that, then proceed to press the eyelash curler flat onto your lid for a few seconds. Let go, and here's how it looks. I really like it because it creates a more natural looking eyeliner that it will add some depth to your eyes without being too obvious when you're wearing eyeliner, you know? And this is so much easier to take off at night. Just taking care of my chill people up there. I love you.
This is how my lips look after brushing them with toothbrush. I really hope you guys enjoy, have fun with this video. I always have so much fun, especially when it comes to lazy morning beauty hacks. I've got a bunch of more of those, so let me know if you guys want to see more of these in the comments. But in the comments below, don't forget to share some love to me by subscribing to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura Vida.